Jiangsu BBL Home Technology Company Limited, and the Cooperation Factory Changzhou Beimei Home Technology Company Limited, as a service provider of beautiful scenarios as the core business of decorative panels. Its core founder has over 30 years of industry experience. We provide fashionable and high-quality products and services to global consumers, creating a healthy, elegant, and culturally rich lifestyle. BBL focuses on the research and development of high-end decorative materials, and their production. We can provide a series of floor products for consumers, such as WPC, LVT, SPC, and engineered wood flooring, as well as scene aesthetic solution services for commercial and residential purposes. After years of development, the company has established a multi-domain professional core technology team and a comprehensive core technology system. It has mastered a number of key core technologies, including the ABA foam company extrusion technology for SPC flooring, the antibacterial technology for composite flooring, the super anti-scratch and wear-resistant technology for composite flooring. The related technical achievements have obtained a number of domestic and international invention patents and certifications. BBL has always been oriented towards research and innovation, adhering to the principle of customer first, and has won the trust of many business partners and families around the world through high-quality, flexible, intelligent manufacturing. Over the years, BBL has become a famous export supplier, and our products have been exported to 128 countries and regions around the world. Look forward to establishing a long-term and stable cooperative relationship with our customers.